Hello everyone, we are from group 9. We want explain our topic blood chemistry. Before that, we introduce ourselves. There are 1. Sufyar Venus Marcelita, 2. Reni Mulyati Namakule, 3. Dewi Magdalena, 4. Elisa Octaviana, 5. Widya Resti, 6. Nurul Aini.
Blood chemistry, estimations of blood glucose or sugar method O2 reading, needed to assist in the diagnosis of diabetes mellitus or other conditions characterized abnormalities of carbohydrate metabolism in the body. In diabetes mellitus, in diabetic patients, glucose is usually found in the urine. See section 7.2.4. Principle. First of all, the protein is precipitated by trichloroacetic acid. The glucose present in the filter reacts with O2 leading reagent and make the solutions green. The absorbance of the solutions was then measured with a calorimeter photoelectric. The calorimeter tools and materials: 1. Centrifuge tubes and large test tubes, 20 milliliters capacity. 2. Test tube track. 3. Blood pipette or saline pipette, 0.2 milliliters. 4. Pipette, 0.5 milliliters. 5. 5 milliliter water bath at 100 Celsius. 6. Glucose reagent or reagent number 30. There are 3% trichloroacetic acid solutions. O2 leading reagent, lanthan benzoic acid 0.1%, standard glucose stock solutions 2.5, 5.0, 0.10, 20, and 25 millimole per liters. Whole blood capacity or venous blood, plasma or fasting serum. And serum control. This control serum should be used in every serial test. The results of the test on the control serum is a comparison from serum control. This control serum should be used in every serial test. The results of the test on the control serum is a comparison of the result of the test on the patient sample.
Calorimeter calibration. Before taking measurement with the calorimeter, create calibration. Therefore, the various concentration of the standard glucose solution found in step 6 to 9. Create new card each time you use a nucleotide reagent to confirm alignment. The result of the calculation of blood glucose level will sum with a time c. The normal range of high or low values. If the test results show abnormally high or low values, the test must be repeated to confirm the result in the following way. Blood glucose level of more than 16 moles. Dilute to benzodiazepine acid solution of much as the volume used is solution. Enter the dilute solution B in the cuvette. Position of needle at 0. To produce the blood glucose level, the result is multiplied by 2. Blood glucose level less than 2.3. Repeat the test from the beginning. Drop 1.6 milliliter of tricoccolated acid. Drop 0.4 milliliter of blood to produce a glucose test. The result is divided by 4.
The formula for determining the level of glucose in a blood specimen is AP divided by AR, then multiplied by C. AP for absorbance of the test object, AR for absorbance of standard glucose solution, and C for level of standard glucose solution. Note: if using a control serum, the calculation remains the same, but AP is replaced with AC. The abnormal range of fasting blood glucose levels can be seen in the following table. 1. In venous blood samples, glucose level in SI units mole per liter is 3.3 to 5.5 mole per liter, and in conventional units, milligrams per 100 milliliter is 60 to 100. 2. In capillary blood samples, glucose levels in SI units mole per liter are 3.9 to 5.5, and in conventional units of milligrams per 100 milliliter is 70 to 100. 3. In serum samples, glucose levels in SI units of mole per liter are 3.9 to 6.4, and in conventional units of milligrams per 100 milliliter is 70 to 115. 4. In plasma samples, glucose levels in SI units of mole per liter are 3.9 to 6.4, and in conventional units of milligrams per 100 milliliter is 70 to 115. High or low value. If the test results show an abnormal value, such as high or low, then the test should be repeated to confirm the result in the following manner. 1. Blood glucose level more than 16.5 mol per liter, then dilute tubes B for blanks and B for patients by adding a solution of glacial acetic acid equal to the volume of each original solution. Then, put the diluted solution B into the cuvette. Position the colorimeter pointer at 0. Next, replace the solution in the cuvette with solution P. Measure the absorbance AAP. Determine the glucose level based on the AP value and the AR value obtained from the previous test. To get the actual blood glucose level, the calculation result is multiplied by 2 because the P solution is diluted by 1 compared to. If the blood glucose level is less than 2.3 mol per liter, then repeat the test from the beginning. In the first step, drop 1.6 milliliters of trichloroacetic acid solution, not 1.8 milliliters. And in the second step, drop 0.4 milliliters of blood, serum, or plasma, not 0.2 milliliters. Then, do the same calculation with the formula. To get the actual blood glucose level, the result of the calculation is divided by 4.
Estimation of blood urea level monoskin diacetyl method or thiosemicarbazate. Urea is a byproduct the result of protein catabolism in the liver. Urea enters the bloodstream through the filtrioles in the kidneys and is excreted with the urine. Kidney level do not excrete urea, its level in the blood will increase. This can occur when the renal tubules are the max or when blood flow to the kidneys is reduced. Principle: freeze of all the protein in the fish bag recipe by triacid urea in the filter, reacted with diacetyl monoskin in the acid target. Oxidize the reagent with thiosemicarbazate procedures aerosolation. Then the absorbance of the resulting solution was measured by a photoelectric colorimeter. Tools and materials: colorimeter, conical tubes and test tubes with a capacity of 20 ml, pipette 0.1 ml, 0.5 ml, and 5 ml, measuring cup 50 ml, water bath, urine reagent number 62, trichloroacetic acid solution, monoskin diacetyl stock solution, coloring reagent, standard urea solution, standard stock solution. Estimation of blood urea level monoskin diacetyl method or thiosemicarbazate. Urea is a byproduct, the result of protein catabolism in the liver. Urea enters the bloodstream through the filtrioles in the kidneys and is excreted with the urine. Kidney level do not excrete urea, its level in the blood will increase. This can occur when the renal tubules are the max or when blood flow to the kidneys is reduced.
Blood chemistry. Method 1. Prepare the D reagent just before the test by mixing the diethylene monoxide stock solution and the 1:1 acid reagent. For each test, make a last 15 ml of the coloring reagent. Put this coloring reagent into a large test tube or small flask. Shake until homogeneous as 2. With a pipette, drop 50 microliter of whole broth with potassium salt EDTA, serum or plasma into the tube. Control flow. 3. Add 1 ml of trichloroacetic acid solution. Shake the mixture until homogeneous. Centrifugation at heat speed 3000 for 5 minutes to precipitate protein precipitated separated by supranet liquid on top. There are more necessary large the test tubes and label them as shown. Blank tube B, control tube A, patent tubes B. Note: if several samples are to be tested, one adds label adds B tube with the patent's name or number. 5. With a pipette, drop into the tube blank 0.1 ml reagent blank, there 0.0 ml of freshly prepared coloring reagent. Control 0.1 ml of standard solution, 3.0 ml of freshly prepared coloring reagent. Patent 0.1 ml of supernatant, 3.0 ml of freshly prepared coloring reagent. 6. Shake the solution in each tube until homogeneous. Heat all tubes with a water bath at 100 degrees Celsius until the solution turns red, about 15 minutes. 7. Leave the tubes and put them in a baker fluid with cold water. Let stand until cold at room. 8. Measure the absorbance of the resulting solution with a colorimeter at a wavelength of 520. A place green filter on the colorimeter. B. Transfer the solution from the tube labeled B blank into a covered colorimeter tube and put in colorimeter. C. After the covered containing solution B in E, place position the colorimeter pointer on the number 0. D. Discard the solution B, resend the covered with solution R. Control just a little and add the solution R into the covered. Insert the covered the colorimeter and read the absorbance of the solution R. E. Discard the solution R, rinse the covered with solution P. Patent just a little and add the solution P into the covered. Insert the
Result. Counting. Determine the blood urea level with the following formula. Urea content mmol/Bl IPBIR. IP the absorbance of the test specimen, IR absorbance of the standard urea solution. Standard level of urea solution mmol/BL. The formula above is used if you ask conventional units. The formula for calculating blood urea level is as blood urea level mg B100 ml, blood urea level mmol/BL 1B0 167. Normal range. The normal range blood urea level is about 3B7 mmol/BL 18/42 mg B100 ml. Height value. If the result show a urea level more than 25 mmol/BL, more than 150 mg B100 ml. Repeat the test from the beginning. In the step 2, instill 0.1 ml instead of 5 TL. Whole blood with the potassium salt EDTA serum of plasma perform test and calculation exactly as described above. To get the actual blood urea level, the result of the calculation is divided by 2.
Thank you for listening to our group presentation. Hopefully everything we share is useful for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.